What's up YouTube, it's your boy Just LB and today we're back with another one. So today I'm going to show y'all how to make some 16-ounce candles. These are homemade. I did these right here in my kitchen. We're going to go ahead and get into it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. Today I will be making 6 candles. I already have 5 of my candle jars already wicked, pre-wicked. What you're going to need is obviously some type of candle jar. I use wick stickers, which I do get from Amazon. Of course, my candle scents. I have my candle dyes. And I also use wooden wicks, which I get from Aztec Candle Company. And I also have my wick placement guide, which I will have a link down below as well. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to wick this last jar. So I just place it down. I'm gonna get 2 wick holders and 2 wicks because I double wick my candles. And all you do is slide the wooden wick down into the wick holder, just like that. Then we're gonna peel off the top of the wick stickers and we're gonna go ahead and place this inside the jar. You do not have to use wick stickers. You could also use glue dots or a glue gun, but I just prefer to use the wick stickers because it's very easy to get in to the candle jars, and then also once the candle's burnt the whole way down to the bottom, I can go ahead and clean up my jar and reuse my jar again as well. The type of wax that I'm using is IGI 6006, which I do get from Candle Science. It's a parasoy blend type of wax. I like the best of both worlds. Soy does tend to burn very clean, but the paraffin gives you that extra boost when it comes to your hot throw. It burns very well and it gives off a great, excellent scent. So that's just what I choose to use in my candles that I use. I already have my candle wax melted in my melting pot here. So the temperature that my wax is at is 180 degrees. I already have it set up and ready to be poured. So we're gonna go ahead and just start pouring some candles. The temperature is different depending on what type of wax you are using. I just do not use straight soy. I could never get it to work right when it comes to my hot throws. This gives me the best hot throw that I can get. But we're gonna go ahead and take our pouring pitcher. And I'm gonna place it here. And I already know what size jar that I'm using because I do this all the time when I sell these. So these are 16-ounce jars. So I usually put around 11 ounces of wax into my pitcher. So once I get my 11 ounces of wax, so I got 11.7. So I do 10%. So that's gonna be 1.17 ounces of my fragrance oil. So we're just gonna start with the first one I have here, which is lemon pound cake. All right, so I set my scale to 0. I zeroed out my scale. I'm gonna put 1.17 ounces of my fragrance oil into my wax. All right. And this is where I go ahead and I add my color in as well. I'm gonna give it about probably 2 drops of yellow. So this is lemon pound cake. And this is what it looks like. It's all in there mixed in. Now I just need to stir it up really well. And I'm gonna stir this to make sure I get this all mixed together perfectly. And I'm just gonna pour this straight into my candle jar. I've been making candles for about a year now. And I personally love making my own candles. It's a lot cheaper than going to the store, buying these store-made candles, which aren't always the best quality either. So if you're interested, I have everything linked down in the description box below. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my wax into my candle jar. And this one is lemon pound cake. So that's 1 down. I'm gonna go ahead and set this one to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out my pouring pitcher and we'll be right back. Alright y'all, so let me just start off by saying my camera definitely died on me in the middle of me pouring my candles, but I did get all my candles poured. I actually did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I actually poured 7 candles. These candles are for customers, these are going out. But this is what I want to show you. One thing that a lot of people do hate about using the 6006 is that it does tend to get sinkholes. As your candle tends to cool down, you begin to get these sinkholes in your candle. Usually what I do is I would pour my candles and put them back inside the the box that the jars came in just to keep them warm so that way they wouldn't cool as quickly. I didn't do that this time. But there is one handy dandy trick that you can use to fix your sinkholes. I know they get on my nerves, they get on other people's nerves that do make candles. All you gotta do really is just grab your heat gun. I got this one from Amazon for probably like $10, $15, but I use this for my candles. And I just put it on the low setting and I just simply just melt the top layer of my wax just to fill in that sinkhole. That's all I do. All right, now that we have all of our tops nice and smooth, I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna trim these wicks down. I did already go ahead and put my labels on. So these are my labels for my candles. This is blueberry cobbler. Pumpkin apple butter. And this is how they all came out. 16-ounce candles, done just like that. It's just very beneficial just to go ahead and do these yourself. You spend way less money and you can get what you want. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And just let me know if y'all want more candle content coming. This was kind of brief and just an overall video. I can definitely get more in depth with the different types of waxes and different ways you can go about making different types of candles. So just let me know what you guys want and I got y'all. Until next time, y'all be safe and stay true to yourself. I'll catch y'all next time.